So in this Yahoo Finance tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view the specific regions of market cap stocks on Yahoo Finance. So once you're into the Yahoo Finance app, it's pretty straightforward. Go down to the bottom, press on the Discover page or the Discover icon at the bottom sort of middle area. Once you're here, simply just scroll down all the way to the bottom of the Discover screen until you come across an option that says Market Value, largest market cap. Uncover the equities with the largest market cap. Simply just press on that. Now, by default, for me, it actually does go to the United States region by default. But if you wanted to change the region to, let's just say, a specific one, simply just go to the top left where it says Region, press on the drop down right here. And now what you can do is select different type of regions that you want to view large cap stocks for, or just any kind of stocks for in regards to their market cap size. So if you wanted to view Canada stocks, you can view Australian stocks. Maybe you wanted to scroll down all the way and view United Kingdom stocks as well as USA stocks. Once that is done, just go to the bottom, press on apply, and there you go. So now as you can tell, 4,646 symbols, all of which are market cap stocks. Now if you want to edit the market cap, you can just simply go to the top right here to where it says market cap intraday. Press on that, and you can select small cap, mid cap, large cap, mega cap, whatever the case may be. Then press on apply, and there you go. Pretty straightforward, but this is how to view specific regions of market cap stocks on Yahoo Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.